So after spraying your makeup and you want to do a product change, it's good practice to perform the cleaning process thoroughly. First step is to get all the makeup out of the brush by spraying out all the excess products onto a towel. Next, you can add a few drops of water and spray that out onto your towel. Add a little bit more water and perform what I call a back flush. It's when you plug up the tip of the airbrush and press back on the trigger, and it should make a bubbling. This clears all of the makeup inside here. Now you can spray forward, do the back bubble, spray forward. Note that you may still have paint on the needle and may need to pull the needle out to clear the paint from the needle and needle housing, like so. Loosen the needle chuck, very gently pull out your needle. Go ahead and wipe the needle down. Now inserting the needle, be very gentle not to bend the needle by pushing too hard on it. Just until it stops. Tighten up your needle chuck, replace the handle, and spray. Now you're ready for the next makeup product. Now that you're done using your makeup and airbrush and you're ready to put it away, repeat the steps and perform the cleaning process which I just showed you, including the removal of the needle, and check for pigment there by rinsing and spraying. Finally, you can add a few drops of Belloccio airbrush cleaner in the cup. Move the trigger back and forth to let the cleaner in the airbrush eat away at any stubborn pigment in the airbrush. You can spray that out of the airbrush. You may want to add a few drops of clean water to rinse out any of that airbrush cleaner. And now you're ready to store your airbrush for the next use.